And good morning, crypto millionaires. This is your man of business, Doc, coming to you again with some information that will hopefully help you become a better crypto day trader and a better crypto investor. So if you have not liked and subscribed to the channel as yet, this is your time. Don't miss out on all the future good stuff that we're going to be bringing to you. And for today, let's get right to it. Today, what we're going to be discussing are the top 5 tools that are available to you as a crypto investor and a crypto day trader. These are the 5 tools that everyone in the industry should be using and are using as a means of keeping up to date. So let's get right to it. The first tool that the average investor will use is CNBC.com. And basically what CNBC.com does for you is it gives you a quick sweeping overview of what is happening in all of the markets, whether the markets are under the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, VIX, whether it's in Europe, whether it's in Asia, whether it's bonds, oils, gold, stocks, you name it. FX market, the crypto market, the whole 9 yards. So if you're coming into the crypto space and you want to get a quick insight as to what is happening in the financial markets overall so that you can make an informed decision, CNBC.com is the first tool that you as a crypto millionaire need to use. Now, the second tool that every crypto millionaire is using on a daily basis is CoinMarketCap.com. CoinMarketCap.com. Now, what CoinMarketCap does is it gives you a overview of the cryptocurrency market. You can look at all of the cryptos that are out there, the tokens. You can access and look at all the different exchanges that you can buy and sell your crypto on. And some of the tools that are available to you, you can establish watch lists as well as you can establish a portfolio watcher using CoinMarketCap. And one of the nice things that comes with CoinMarketCap is the Fear and Greed Index, which lets you know what the general market sentiment is at that particular time. So that is the website number 2. The third tool, which is, in my opinion, the most important tool that every crypto investor, every crypto day trader needs to have in the arsenal of tools, is TradingView. TradingView. Now, why is TradingView so important? It's important for the mere fact that it allows you to see the charts of the various assets that you want to trade. You're able to see charts in different time frames, and you're able to import and use different indicators. This is one of the interfaces that you can use and see that is available for you as a cryptocurrency investor and trader, and you're able to see right down to the 1 minute candle action on any asset you're trading. Now, the good thing about this particular tool, you're not just limited to accessing cryptocurrency charts. You can access all the charts and all of the markets, and you can comfortably get a good reading on what is happening with price action in the market. Okay, so that is tool number 3. The third tool, which I consider a news aggregator or a news hub, is Cointelegraph, And basically, what you will find with Cointelegraph.com is you're going to be able to get a quick sweep of all of the major news stories within the cryptocurrency space. Pay close attention, excuse me, pay close attention to the editor's choice and the hot stories in particular. And this will allow you to get a quick temperature of what is going on within the cryptocurrency space. Now, it should be noted that another website that is just as good even though I prefer Cointelegraph, another website that you can use for news is coindesk.com. So that is number 4. The fifth tool that is, I call it the tool for the person who wants to know everything that is going on within cryptocurrency 24/7. Any news breaks, any new videos coming out, you name it. This is the ultimate news hub spot for cryptocurrency. And the name of this tool is cryptopanic.com. Cryptopanic.com. With cryptopanic.com, you are able to assess all of the news. You're able to look at all of the blogs, and you're able to see news in live time. For instance, this came out 3 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, and so on and so forth. You're able to be aware of major happenings within the industry. For instance, when the Fed is going to have their meetings, you're able to be informed to know that that is not the right day to be trading certain markets. So that is tool number 5, cryptopanic.com. And the next tool is a tool for persons who are interested in the meme coin trading market. And if they want to be at the start of coins when they're just coming into the open market. This particular tool is called deckscreener.com. And this is a tool that is usually used by traders who are trading meme coins, for instance, and you're able to access all of the different blockchains and see the various liquidity pairs and pools that are available for you to buy and sell. Now, this is a great tool if you want to find coins when they're at their low, in terms of if they have a low liquidity and they're just launching and you want to get into these positions early. But be advised that most meme coins are garbage coins. I would say 99% will go to zero within the first 2 hours of creation. So be aware of that. The next tool that you want to have in your arsenal in terms of knowing what's going on within the crypto space is a favorite of the industry, and it is called cryptobubbles.com. Oh, sorry, cryptobubbles.net, cryptobubbles.net. Now, what this particular website does is it gives you a visual representation of cryptocurrencies in real time, and you're able to see the representation in the bubble format. You're able to look at different time frames, whether you want to look at performance over the year, whether you want to look at different coins performance over the last month. It should be noted that you can tweak different settings. For instance, if you only wanted to see coins on different exchanges, say for instance, Binance or Maxi or Bybit, you'll click those and you'll only see the coins that are listed on those exchanges. You can also create watch lists and favorites lists, and you can analyze the market visually through bubbles. But the added bonus with this particular tool, if you would scroll down, you'll notice that it is structured in a straightforward layout format whereby you're getting the actual numbers, and you can adjust and tweak to see what is the coins that are performing best within the last hour, the last day, week, month, so on and so forth. And this gives you a good way of analyzing different cryptocurrencies and so on and so forth, if you are more in tune to monitoring the numbers more so than the visual. And that is that. Now, the last tool that I am going to give you, this is a tool mainly meant for persons that are day trading cryptocurrency. This is a tool that gives you a heads up in terms of knowing what is happening within the market in live time, within a 5, 15 minute and a 1 hour type of time frame. But the good thing about this that makes it good for traders, for instance, you are able to segregate and find coins based on biggest gainers, biggest losers. If a coin price action just did a MACD crossover, different things, criteria that you're able to use, and you're able to assess information on coins and be able to move in and out of positions based on the data you're being given. So this is my lineup of the top tools that I feel cryptocurrency investors should be looking at and using on a regular basis, based on the fact that within the financial markets, you should always remember that the more information, the more data that you have, the more successful you will be in your asset investment class. And these are just some of the top tools that are used within the cryptocurrency space. And that's just what it is. So this is the end of my presentation. I notice a lot of you have not subscribed or liked the past videos. You'll be helping the channel greatly by liking and subscribing to the channel. If you like this type of information, we'll keep hitting you up with this type of information to keep you on the cutting edge of what is happening within cryptocurrency. This is your man of business, Doc, saying thank you very much for tuning in to this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day, be blessed, and enjoy your profits.